Traveling in such a beautiful scenery, it's never easy. Sometimes the earth imposes difficulties on us. The oceans, mountains, and other natural features, all of which are beyond the control of humanity, and it involves life-threatening dangers. However, it is also true that many humans have traveled in search of them. I have also traveled a lot in search of it, and each time I have captured it on camera. There is one thing I have noticed from these many experiences. A high-performance camera alone is not enough to express beautiful scenery. To make the most of its potential, the best music is essential.